Good evening, guys. It's Patrick here, PCTV. It is Wednesday night. It is cruise night, and we've got a lot of cars here and a lot of friends. It's going to be a fun night. Look forward to watching everybody do downtown, and we're going to take a look at the cars today and see who's here. Say hi to everybody, and I appreciate you guys liking, subscribing, watching the show. I've been under the weather for a couple of weeks. You got to excuse the look in my eyes, but yeah, I've been sick as a dog. But I'm here, so there we go, off we go. Well, if you hear the horses in my voice and the fact that I can't talk, it's like I said, I've been sick as can be. Ace is here. He is car of the month, and he's hanging out. 1930 or 32, I always forget. What year's yours? 31? Yeah. I got right in between. 30, I said 30, 32, 31.
Yeah,
Car of the month?
32 is different, but 30 and 31 are almost the same. 29, they're all pretty close.
Beautiful rat rod. We got Mike Miller in the house. Hi, what's up? How you doing? Got to get you in here. Lee Van Dresch, interesting story about this. This is a 30 Model A, and he's completely pinched this thing between the rails. He made it into a 3-window coupe. This originally started out as a factory Model A. This is a complete garage build, home build by Lee Van Dresch. And when you look at this car, it's an amazing, amazing build overall. Just crazy. Look at the work. And he did this all himself. The upholstery, I don't think he did himself, but again, what a gorgeous car. And just literally a one-of-a-kind roadster. And this is all metal. No fiberglass whatsoever here. And just a gorgeous piece of work. Mustang. 67. Very clean. Oh, look at that. He's got cup holders in the center console. 289 badge. Oh my God, Brian. I don't believe it. He's here. Willie's here. 68 Camaro. Sweet as can be. There you go. Willie's Automotive. Oxblood red interior. God, that interior is just gorgeous. Very, very sweet. Right next to him, we got the hooligan in the house, and also Surf City Classics. Steve Thomas. Got his 1930 with his girlfriend Tammy here. Miss T. Tammy LaFlamme, I think. Something you don't see every day. LS6 SS Clone 70 wagon. Thing is just badass. This belongs to Dave. The windows are so smoked you can't see the interior. Let's take a look at that side. Beautiful. Oh, who's this stranger? Oh my God.
And we don't endorse anything around here. Shake and bake, Ricky Bobby, you know. Let's go.
$40 for a case of Mexican Coke.
We don't shake anything, you know. We don't.
No product endorsement.
Product endorsements.
Wait. Excuse me, sir.
That's made
No
with
product endorsement.
Ricky Bobby, baby, shake and bake, baby, shake and bake. I love Domino's.
It's good to have you back. It's been a minute. We got the whole crew over here. So yeah, we're excited to have you here.
Hey, Domino's, if you're out there looking, I'm ready to advertise.
You got to slap that patch right on.
Yeah, Domino's, baby. Let's go. Wonder Bread. Let's go, baby.
Wonder Bread, Twinkies.
I think my boy's on fire. Let's go.
Yeah. Who's the new guy?
Wait a second. Hey, I heard I was getting thrown out tonight. So, you know, it's all good.
We're guessing is
Hey,
it 36?
you know, so we got the world famous Don with KBL transmissions in the house. Don fixes them. He does a really good job. You know, if you need your transmission worked on, go see Don.
And he's woke. He's a tranny guy.
We got John. We got John with J&S Gears down here. We got PCTV. We got Devin down the house tonight. We got
I saw Devin.
Jerry. We got Robert Wong with OC Billiards. We got everybody's in the house tonight. You know, we got some of the boys. We got
Didn't even know you were going to be back.
Check it out. We got Ricky Bobby with DAWS in the house. I think we got Dick Duck Mordor in the house too. Where's Dick Duck Mordor?
Haven't seen him.
I haven't seen him.
Dude, I haven't worn my shirt in so long. I got to pull it out. I was working on the yard all day today.
So thanks to Ice Cream Man. We're going to start late tonight. Somebody says, hey, go tell Ice Cream Man to come a little bit earlier. I told him, you go tell Ice Cream Man to come a little bit earlier. I saw all the kids over there having fun.
Barbecue.
That'd be cool, huh?
Listen, we got talking about that.
Hey,
Good to see you, bro.
breaking news. Johnny Martinez is coming down for the barbecue. Want to thank him for those special awards for Member of the Month and Car of the Month. Also want to thank Rod Sexton down at Garden Grove. He made some trophies for Member of the Year and Car of the Year. You know, Johnny takes really good care of us, and we appreciate him.
He's a good friend.
And so does Rod. They're good people,
Yep.
and we support both that group right there for sure.
Yeah, they're definitely some of my favorite guys. Thank you, Brian.
Sur City Classics in the house, 52 wins this year. Get you some of this.
We love you, bro. Good to see you. I just talked up your car. It is a 30, I hope. Yeah. Tell us a little bit more about that tube chassis beauty that's over there.
It's hand fabricated. It's inside the grill shell. It's.
Okay, so I already said all that. So you know what?
I don't know.
We'll see you later. I just built a brand new motor for this, 1776.
Oh, that's a nice motor.
Hand built by yours truly. And I've been working on this for 4 years. And it's a restoration and rescue that I found. And we got a late model here, 72.
Pretty cool.
And it's got the vent. Guys, I'm not lying when I say I keep a freshly built, ready to go distributor underneath the front seat of my car. So that way, if anything does happen on the road, I am ready. I also keep a spare alternator belt.
This one you can delete the condenser and put that.
Oh, the condenser's gone on my other one. See, look at that, spare belt.
Yeah.
The whole shot. So yeah, we're ready, man, road ready, and I have a full tool kit, jumper cables, everything else. So yep, this is my 60 right here. It is back on the road. There's Rod. What's up, brother? You brought the gear. Yeah.
Yeah, stretch the legs out.
Looking good,
Have
looking
some fun
good.
tonight with SEC.
Thank you. Guys, I think we've become a Volkswagen club. My God, 4 Volkswagens here at Surf City Classics. Mine included. We got Max here.
Yeah, what's
Max
up,
is
guys?
one of our car aficionados, aside from being an insane surf guitarist and good friends with Dick Dale before his passing.
Yep.
So Max has got a lot of history and a lot of know-how, and for a young gun, you know your stuff, buddy.
Thanks.
Appreciate it. Yeah, that's the bugs here. I showed my bug just a minute ago. Yeah, it's got bubbles. Yeah, it's got chips. Yeah, it's a 20-footer. Sam, right?
1972.
It is a 72. Okay, I got it right.
Super Beetle.
Super Beetle with a flat windshield.
Yeah.
Because 73 is when they go to the curved. So yeah, this has got the long hood. I don't know if you guys have ever seen this, but the hood is kind of freaky on these. See how long the hood is? Because it's got the flat windshield and it's got the McPherson front end on it. But see, this thing's got a big trunk. Now if you look at mine, it's got a short little deck lid on it. And not a whole lot of room. But yeah, I had a 71, so I recognized it right away. But yeah, definitely a Super Beetle.
It's very nice Beetle. Super Beetle.
Very cool, very cool. Man, Pirate House here. What's up, mofo?
Hey, hey,
Hey, hey,
hey.
hey.
Are you ready to rumble?
You're rocking that chin strap. I thought that was the best comment on my YouTube channel of all year. Somebody said, nice chin strap. Rod, your Gia, you've had this how long now?
35 years.
35 years. And what a beautiful car it is. It really is. And the nose is not even caved in. It's just great. All right. I got to be a master at fixing those. I would buy them cheap because the nose was smashed in on them. Great car. All right. Marvis here. And she's driving the, I believe it's 64. Look at this 69 right here. Sick. And it's for sale. Whoa, how much? Way too much money, huh?
30.
30? Oh. Wait a second, this is 3,000.
Yeah, that's just 3,000. This is just the engine. He's only selling the engine. Block,
Oh, just the engine.
intake, carbs, distributed.
Okay, well there you go.
I think just the engine.
Well, $3,000, it better be just the engine.
Yeah, that's what I'm saying.
Because I'll give him $3,000 right now for the car.
Right? That's what I was gonna say.
I'll go pull out my gun safe right now.
Oh, I thought it was 30.
Thank you, ladies. Look at this. We got the liqueurs here. Trans Am, Kathy 71. Ice Cream Man's here. And along with Ice Cream Man, we got Willie. Willie in the house. What is up, my brother?
baby, barbecue Sunday.
I'll be working the grill for a while. Can't wait to volunteer for that. John's here with his AX9 Tirana with the Brocky plate. That's $1 million car you're seeing right here. Look at this Cherokee though. Is it Cherokee? It should be a Cherokee. This thing's sweet. I'm gonna go with maybe 65. Could be later. Hello, guys.
Hey.
How you doing, Bob?
Good.
Hello, hello. Shooting in the sun here, so you know, I'm a little blinded. I wonder what year this. I'm guessing it's Cherokee. It's beautiful. Really great. Got Bob and Paul over here. Don's KBL AC Cobra copy. I love the fact that he went AC Cobra on this versus Shelby, because that's the easy route to go. He's got the ankle burners, donut derelicts. I think it's just a really, really great example of a tribute car. We got Ice Cream Man next to us. Funny, we got a lot of cars here, and we usually have a pretty good group, but we got Brian back in town. We got a 67 RS Camaro here, really sweet. We got Mel 69. Mel does the meeting as well as I do on YouTube. You have to check him out on SCC TV. 65 Ranchero here. One of my favorite Fords of all time, and I'm not a Ford guy, and I just think it's one of the most beautiful cars ever. But this 66 Torino is also extremely dope. These are great cars. These are the Fords that I like, and not many Fords that I do like, except somebody crapped all over it. There you go, Grant Wheel. Torturous ones. Looks like it's time for the meeting, so we're going to work our way on over. We got William here. We got Paul 72. Oh, Bob brought the Cherokee. This shitbox edition, but of course Paul's beautiful 72 El Camino SS clone. This is Bob's shitbox edition that he spent a ton of money on. And we're gonna get over here. We're gonna go live here shortly on Facebook. Dominic's in the house. Beautiful Pro Street double nickel. And I'm gonna go ahead and shut her down. We're going live.